Hey everyone, welcome to this hands-on demo on Amazon Elastic File System, EFS. In this session, we'll set up EFS, attach it to an EC2 instance, and create a test file. Let's dive in. Step 1, create security groups. Before setting up EFS, we need 2 security groups, one for our EC2 instance and another for EFS. Create EC2 security group, navigate to VPC, security groups, create security group. Name, My EC2 EFS SG. Add rule, open port 22 SSH for remote access. Click Create Security Group. Create EFS Security Group. Back in Security Groups, click Create Security Group. Name My EFS SG. Rule, allow NFS traffic, port 2049 only from the EC2 security group. Click Create Security Group. Great, our security groups are ready. Step 2, create an EFS file system. Now let's create the EFS file system. Go to EFS. Create file system. Name, Demo EFS VPC. Use the default VPC. Click Customize. Under Network, select the EFS security group, My EFS SG. Click Create. Our EFS file system is now ready. Step 3, launch an EC2 instance. Next, we need an EC2 instance to mount our EFS. go to EC2 launch instance. Name EFS demo instance. AMI, choose Ubuntu. Instance type, select T3 micro or larger if needed. Network, ensure it's in the same VPC as EFS. Security group, select My EC2 EFS SG. Click Launch, wait for the instance to initialize before proceeding. Step 4. Connect and mount EFS. Now let's connect to our EC2 instance and mount the EFS. Connect to EC2. Go to Instances, select EFS Demo Instance and click Connect. Use SSH to access the instance. Install NFS utilities. Before mounting the NFS, we are to install the required utilities. We will do that using this command. Create a mount point. We'll create a directory where the NFS will be mounted. We will do that using that command. Mount the EFS file system. To mount the EFS file system, we'll use the NFS DNS name. We'll go back to our NFS to get the DNS name and mount it to the entry point we created.
Now let's go back to our EFS. Let's paste it.
Verify the mount. We'll need to check if the file system is successfully mounted. We'll do that using this command. Step 5. Create test file in EFS. Let's create and read a test file to ensure EFS is working. Create a test file. We'll create a test file using this command. Read the file. Let's read the test file using this command. You should see hello from EFS. In this tutorial, we created security groups for EC2 and EFS, launched an EC2 instance, set up an EFS file system and mounted it, successfully wrote and read a test file. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.